This morning we're down in Yeovil. We're at our friends at Ribcollar. We're here to announce that Radical Marine have partnership with Jason and the team at Ribcollar. The great news is that we're now making it much simpler. You don't have to take your boat way down south to get your boat retubed. That service is now in Scotland. If your boat needs a retube, your boat comes in, we take the tube off, we ship it down to the guys at Ribcollar, and then it comes back up to us. And our fantastic team up in Greenock will then fit the new tube onto your rib. But the big advantage is both teams are working in symmetry. From a warranty perspective and from a customer service perspective, it should give a far better process.
Hi, I'm Jason from Ribcollar, and we specialise in manufacturing new inflatable collars for rigid inflatable boats. We've been in the industry 25 years plus. A big part of our business is retubing. We have a CNC cutting machine. We have various boats on file, so potentially we already have your boat templated, but if we don't, we can actually pull apart your tube and remanufacture a brand new inflatable tube, giving your boat an extra 15-20 years of life.